Hello, guys. Truck Attack here. So finally, the rain stopped, and it looks like it's gonna start again. So, anyways, I've been asked, Track, can you give us some pointers, some tips on how to become a better shooter or how shoot better? So this is what has worked for me because what works for me may not work for you. There's tons of videos out there that show you how to shoot. And one of the things that have worked for me is building muscle memory, doing it over and over again until you become comfortable shooting in that way. One thing that has helped me is to grab a straight stick, and especially if you're doing the long draw, to keep your bands straight and move along with the bands. Don't bend, don't do this and keep this straight, or bring this down or up and keeping this at the same angle. It just won't work. You will get 4 kids or hurt yourself. So keep everything straight, and you see that you will become a better shooter. Um, so when I swing back, you guys seen it on plenty of my videos. When I swing back, I'm locking it in place and bringing my bands forward, and that is because of muscle memory, not because I'm trying to build some kind of style or trying to be unique in the way I shoot. No, it's just all muscle memory. So I just swing back, right? Hold it in place, bring my bands forward, and then I'm able to shoot. And another reason why I swing back like this first is because it's a lot easier for me to do that than to just pull the bands over and over again. I I get tired doing that. So it's easier for me to just swing back, lock it in place, and bring my bands forward straight as possible. And then I'm able to move whether I'm aiming up or down. So I encourage you guys to get a stick like this and practice. That's what I always do. Just like this. And it's easy. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna do some shots for you. And I hope this helped. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. It was pretty hard to see, but there you have it. The Hawkeye Excellence from Slingshot Sniper. Great slingshot. Let's see what else we can shoot. think I saw it land over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. You guys see it? Right. Cool shot. Hit it right in the head. Alright. Let's try another shot. Alright guys. I got a can sitting right there. It's probably around 70 yards. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about as far as swinging back and locking your arms. And I have dogs going crazy over there. It's probably mine. Alright, so swing back, lock it in place, bring it forward, put your bands close to your face, make sure you keep a straight release. Right? Boom! Did you guys hear that? I knocked it. So that's what I'm talking about. Let's go take a look. Close my GoPro. So that was about a 70-yard hit. It's gonna be a little long walk, guys. So just bear with me. I hope you guys heard the can hit. So it's, once you build a technique, stick with it. It can get pretty easy. Sorry guys. So I can show you. I already hit this can. Alright guys, I'm going to show you one more time. I have a lighter that I already hit once. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Swing back, lock it in place, bring it forward. Take your time, aim. Boom. Easy. So just remember guys, pull back, bring it forward, put your face close to it without hitting yourself, and then here's where you make your final adjustments. Don't bring it down like that or up like that, just move with it. There. I hope this helped a little bit, and thank you for watching guys. Truck Attack out.